Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have an AI training platform that is hiring fast. When I say fast, once you're done with your interview, you're hired. So I'm going to be sharing it with you. But before I do that, let me read this comment for you guys. You know, one thing with this channel is that I keep pushing you guys to keep applying. To enter into AI training platforms is not easy. It has not been easy even for me, but I also see that some of you get the jobs and keep it yourself. But this particular person took his or her time to drop this comment on my channel, and I'm so grateful to you. It shows that it's actually working. All you need is hard work, sleepless night to land your AI training role. So let me read this comment. So this person dropped this comment. It reads, "Thanks once again, D, for all you are doing. D, I want to especially thank you for all your encouragement to keep on applying for the AI training jobs. After several applications, I finally got accepted by SME Career. I passed the interview and I am on the onboarding process right now." And this melted my heart. Thank you so much for this lovely comment. So let's explore SME Career today and see how it works. We've already signed up as well on my agency. We've signed up. We've also done the interview. Let's see how it is so that you too can apply. All right. So this is SME Careers. It is brought to you by Super Annotate. In fact, this is the homepage here. How it works: SME Careers connect subject matter experts with paid AI training work. Companies building AI models need people with real domain expertise in medicine, law, engineering, languages, and many other fields to train and evaluate those models. This is where you apply, interview, join projects, and get paid for the work. There are two ways to take part. The first part is subject matter experts. You use your domain expertise to train and evaluate frontier AI models and get paid for it. The second part is network referral. You share opportunities with your professional network and earn commission for each expert you refer. So these guides focuses on the subject matter expert path. If you're interested in referring others, you can see the chosen path. How the journey works: you're going to create an account, sign up with your email and verify it. You can also sign up with your LinkedIn. Then you apply, complete the application form and upload your CV. You browse jobs and apply. If you find open roles that match your expertise, you can apply. Then you take the AI interview. This is a recorded AI assisted interview you can take from home at a time that suits you. Once it's reviewed, your interview is evaluated. You get reviewed, your interview is evaluated, and a human is involved in every final decision. Screening and onboarding. So you'll have gone through 1 to 5 stages, and then there's screening and onboarding. Once you qualify, their team reviews your profile and prepares your contract. You join a project and get paid. Accept a project invitation, complete any required training, start working and receiving regular payouts. And once everything is live, once you're signed in, the main areas you use are dashboard, application, projects, finance, referrals, and setting. So let's go back. Click here, explore jobs, and it opens all these jobs for you. At the moment on my screen, you can see 208 open roles in accounting, auditing, analyst, education, engineering, finance, healthcare provider, human resources, information technology, legal, management, marketing, quality assurance, research, science, training, writing, editing. Whatever is your expertise, you can actually find an AI training job here. So once you're in, after you sign up with your email, you go ahead and find a job that suits you. Let's say medical general expert, for instance. Take interview like this. So this particular role is hot and it's paying around $90 an hour. It's a remote position. Interview is required. About this role, it's an hourly role, remote contractor role. You will review AI generated medical responses and or generate expert healthcare content, evaluating reasoning quality and step-by-step clinical problem solving while providing precise written feedback. You assess solutions for accuracy, clarity, and adherence to the prompt. Identify errors in clinical methodology or conceptual understanding. You'll also compare multiple responses based on correctness and reasoning quality. This role is with SME Careers, a fast-growing AI data services company and subsidiary of Super Annotate. There is no immediate project for this role. However, if qualified, you will be among the first experts they reach out to. You need bachelor's degree, 5+ years of professional experience in nursing, public health, health sciences or allied health. Develop AI training content as your key responsibilities. Optimize AI performance, and then shape the future of AI. So this is just an illustration for this role. There are different roles here. For instance, this one pays up to $100. Interview is required. So once you're done signing up and entering your CV, then you can take the interview here. These are the currencies here. So if you're in India, I see a lot of your comment, India and all those Asian countries. Yes, you can apply. Take the interview. This is the sign up page where you will sign up with your LinkedIn. If you have a LinkedIn, optimized LinkedIn account. In fact, if you're looking for AI training job, if you're applying to AI training jobs, your LinkedIn is a must. You must have a LinkedIn, optimized one at that, because most of them would always like you to sign up using your LinkedIn. If you don't have a LinkedIn, you can sign up with your email password, sign up. Once you finish signing up, it takes you to your applications page, your interviews page, where you would take this interview. So there are 200 jobs right now on History Quality Assurance Lead, Economics Quality Assurance Lead, DAT team lead, PHP team lead, and these are high quality roles that pay up to $100 an hour. Okay, these are not children's AI training roles. These are not even entry levels. Okay, so go and check it out. If copyright and content expert, different roles here, guys. Go and check it out. Okay. Document annotation specialist in Bangladesh. People from Bangladesh, you guys ask me if there's something for you. There's always something for you guys. So come and check it out. Data scientist, TypeScript engineer, mathematics specialist, Mandarin quality assurance lead, Cantonese quality assurance lead, biomedical engineering quality assurance lead. There's something for everybody here. Please come and check them out. I didn't want to talk about this platform after we signed up on this platform last week. I didn't want to talk about it. It was someone from my agency that signed up on this, but I saw the email notification. I didn't really want to talk about it until this person dropped her comment, his or her comment. Until this person dropped the comments on my video about this SME Careers. I said, okay, let me share it with you guys. So you go check it out and see, okay? See if it works for you. Search your occupation here and apply. Different languages are here as well. You can see different languages. All the Asian, European languages are here. Okay, that's just it. So let me share this with you. I don't know if I explained it the way that makes sense to you, but that's just it. That's all I can say. SME Careers accept people easily. And let me say this. To land one single AI training job is not easy. It is not easy. Anyone telling you it's easy, it's just lying to you. So I'm not sugarcoating anything. If I tell you platforms that I've been sleeping on, doing interviews, applying, yet they keep rejecting me. Sometimes I feel tired. I feel discouraged, but we must make this money, and I'll continue to apply till I land that big one that will shake everybody here. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And to my OGs, thank you for coming back. If you get a job from any of my videos, even videos from last 2 years, better come back to the comment section and say this particular video helped me. And I've been pushing you guys. I push you guys like you're my family, like you're my blood family. I've been pushing you guys, encouraging you to keep applying, although some of you are in doubt, but keep applying, and keep coming back to drop amazing comments on my videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.